tell everybody your name.
Hello, my name's Owania. Today we're going to be doing art on this big canvas.
Okay, today we're going to be doing art on this big canvas. Let's show you the canvas. It's pretty big. Here.
And these are colors. Red, blue, purple, and light blue.
Okay, so we got red, blue, pink, purple, and light blue. And what do we have right here? What are these right here?
Paintbrushes and water.
What are you going to do with that water? Oh, so you dip your brush in the water to clean it. So we got to give you a towel. So this is what you can wipe your brush off with. Here you go. And what do you think we should paint today?
I don't know. You can pick.
I was thinking maybe we could paint like some trees and some birds and like maybe some plants and some flowers.
Let's paint a dragon eye.
Just do something big like that.
Hello.
That's all you gotta say?
I'm gonna paint a table that has an iPad on it.
Oh, that's a good one. You're gonna use that color?
Look, yeah.
Let's draw. You can draw right now. Here's some. Here, you can have some oil pastels. Here, let's show the camera.
Oil pastels.
So now we're gonna use some oil pastels on top of our painting.
Did you know that oil pastels actually blend? If you want to make an oil pastel blend with different color, then all you have to do is just put a color on there and then put another color and then it'll blend.
Okay, so you put one color first, and
Yeah.
then you put another color.
Yeah, like this. Watch. Then we grab the orange. And watch.
And you're gonna blend it with the red.
Yeah, see? Watch. See? It blends.
Nice. That's a great technique. That's what we call that, right? That's a great technique.
I got a lot.
What, man? How many is that?
Wait, can I have some? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wait, hold it up to the camera so they can see.
There's 4 because my sister took one.
Oh, for a team?
I am a bug hunter.
What's your favorite thing to practice? Dribbling or shooting?
Bugs. Shooting. I'm a bug hunter.
Nice.
Damn it. What the? Hi. It's the end of our art. Bye.
You gonna wave? And can I ask you one more question before you go? What was your favorite thing about painting with Dad?
The dragon eyes.
Oh, you like the dragon eyes? Can you point to it?
Wait, I almost forgot one thing.
What's that?
The golden eyes.
Oh, you gotta do a golden eye? Alright, so I'm still in the studio with the kids painting that we were working on earlier, and I'm looking at it and I'm thinking to myself, man, this will be a dope little background. So I'm gonna pull the projector out, I'm gonna blank some areas out on this thing, and I'm gonna project some images to it, maybe some typography, just kind of give it a different vibe. So it's a collaboration between me and the kids, right? Yeah, so I started this painting with the kids earlier in the day, and I decided to keep working on it. Here, I'm projecting some images, with my Epson projector to create more layers. So I projected the image of John Coltrane, kind of this graphic from an album cover I found in one of the Miles Davis. And then I thought to add some typography in there with this the huge jazz lettering. So that's how I like to work. I like to keep making layers.
I'll tell you something. Right? When you don't start no shit, then there won't be no shit.
Listen, I didn't start nothing with you, man. You said that I took the man's money. I didn't take not a dime from them, man.
You attempted.
I did not. I didn't attempt to take no money from them. I brought them back receipts and everything, showing them how much the stuff cost.
Right,
and
well,
they
you see when
change
everybody got
back.
hip to your shit.
Decomposer.
I just finished, well, I get to a stopping point on a piece that I started with the kids yesterday. I put a couple of images on this thing, man. I used the projector and projected quite a few images to give it a little bit of depth and create some layers, some different things, in the pop direction. Starting with a painting with the kids, the easiest thing to do is kind of work that into the background. And looking at the way they paint, man, they're so free with their elements and the different things that they use and different choices that they make while they're painting. I try to implement that same theory when I start to go back in and paint on top of their work and around their work and stuff. And Alinea came in and she blessed the canvas with her hearts. I think that sealed the deal. So I'm gonna show it to you, man. You see what you think.
Life is art.
Good job.
Good job.